Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Ibrahim and welcome to my Creative Engineering YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification to be aware of the upcoming videos. In this tutorial series, I will show you step by step how to create a simple house in SketchUp. In this very first video, I will show you how to bring in an image into SketchUp, size it properly, and draw against it. To bring in an image into SketchUp, we need a geometry to map it into. To do that, let's draw a random rectangle of any dimension. We do that because we will size it a little bit later. Now go to the File menu and choose Import. Locate the image you want to bring that into SketchUp. I have located mine. I will choose it and will bring that as a texture into SketchUp. So choose Import. I will snap this texture to this one corner of this rectangle and will size it until it fits. Now as you can see how it tiles, we can see this image is shown 2 to 3 times because we didn't draw the rectangle tool to the proper aspect ratio. To fix that, select this edge and press the M key on your keyboard to move it like this. Now if we zoom in a little bit and rotate, you can see that this image has dimension on it, but it is not accurate because we drew our rectangle randomly. To make it an accurate drawing, choose the tape measure tool from the large tool set. Click here on one end of this 24 foot mark and drag all the way to the end and try to be as precise as possible. Now enter the value that you see on the image, so that is 24 foot, and press enter. Now SketchUp asks us, do you want to resize the model? Yes, we do. By clicking on the yes, it has resized the image, and let's do the same thing for the other dimension. We will rotate a little bit. Now let's do the same work for this dimension. Click here on one end of this 23 feet and 10 inch mark and drag all the way to the end. Click a second time and enter the value that you see on the screen and then click enter. Now SketchUp again asks us, do you want to resize the model? Yes, we do. Now as you can see, we have made this image accurately, and we can draw against it to make an accurate drawing. To do that, let's first select this image and make it a group, because we don't want our new geometry to be a part of this image. Now select the camera standard views to the top and again choose parallel projection. We do that because we want to facilitate our workflow. Now choose the rectangle tool and start drawing our wall. Let's draw this wall like this and draw this wall as well, and continue this until all the exterior walls are finished. This is very easy to draw a rectangle like this and drawing your walls. Just continue until the end and make sure you have finished all of your walls. Just continue until the end and draw the same rectangle as I am drawing. This is very easy to draw rectangles and create your walls in SketchUp. Very easy, very simple, and continue like that. Now as you can see, this is a curved wall and it has a curved opening for a window. So we will choose the 2-point arc tool, click on this one corner, then on the other corner, and draw and specify a radius like that, and do the same like this. Now as you can see, we have drawn our exterior walls. Now we will draw our interior walls. The process is the same. Just select the rectangle tool and start drawing your walls. As you can see, it creates an extra page and it creates some problem for us. So go to the view menu, choose pastel and choose X-ray. Now beneath of this piece we can easily see the walls. So start drawing them like this. Very easy, very simple. Everyone can do it. And start drawing your walls like this. Now choose the line tool and create your final drawing like this. Choose again the rectangle tool. Let's draw this wall and this wall as well. Now let's erase the extra geometry that we don't want. This is an extra line, this is an extra line, and this is. Erase all the extra line. When I erase all the extra line, I will come back to you. As you can see, I have erased all of the extra lines. So now I will specify the place for the openings. I will specify it by a rectangle tool like this, and will specify all the opening for doors and windows. After that, I will come back to you. Now as you can see, we have specified the places for door and window openings. Now let's turn off the X-ray mode by going to the view menu and turn off the X-ray mode. Let's delete these extra faces that we don't need. Choose perspective and let's go to the ISO mode. Now choose the push-pull tool from the large tool set and pull this wall by amount of 3 meters. Now the rest can be done very easily. By double clicking, it will automatically create the wall. Now let's rotate a little bit and create the rest of the walls. It is very easy, very simple. No effort required. By a few clicks, we have created our walls of the model. Now let's create the opening for doors and windows. To do that, choose the select tool from the large tool set, double click and move it to the top like this. Now double click again on this face. To select it, we will rotate a little bit. Now choose the M tool and press Ctrl and move it upward like this. Now rotate a little bit and apply the same technique for all of the openings. When you finished, I will come back to you. Now as you can see, we have created the upper piece and the lower piece. Now choose the push-pull tool and push this by an amount of 60 centimeters. And pull it downward by amount of 70 centimeters. And repeat this procedure for all of the openings like this. Now let's pull this piece upward by amount of 60 centimeters and pull all of the other pieces like this. Now as you can see, we have created our openings for doors and windows. In the next video, I will show you how to create door and windows for this house in SketchUp. If you find this video helpful, let me know by hitting the thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification to be aware of the upcoming videos, and feel free to comment below. Thank you. Have a great time.